Hello friends, today I saw my dear grandma watering the plants, but her method was a bit unusual. She was using a broken piece of cardboard to water them. I thought, this isn't right. The cardboard will get wet, become weak, and it won't be comfortable for grandma either. So I decided to make her a strong and durable watering can. Let's get started. First, I took a good piece of wood and marked it carefully, then I cut it with precision. Next, I smoothed it out with sandpaper to remove any sharp edges. It took a little effort, but for grandma this is nothing. Then my handmade watering can is ready. Now, grandma can comfortably water her plants. Let's surprise her with it. Grandma, here's a new watering can for you. Now you can easily water your plants. Grandma smiles and blesses me. Grandma, you like my idea? If you also enjoy making thoughtful gifts for your grandparents or parents, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, friends.